Benefit 1 is improving scalp health. Tea tree oil is known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which help in keeping the scalp clean and free from potential infections. By maintaining a healthy scalp, the oil aids in preventing dandruff and reducing itchiness or irritation. This creates an ideal environment for hair growth and helps in keeping the hair follicles unclogged. Benefit 2 is reducing dandruff. Dandruff is often caused by fungus or an overly oily scalp. The antifungal properties of tea tree oil help control and reduce this fungus, making it an effective treatment against dandruff. Applying tea tree oil regularly can help exfoliate the scalp, remove dead skin cells, and reduce flaking, leading to a healthier scalp. Benefit 3 is promoting hair growth. By cleansing the follicles and maintaining a healthy scalp environment, tea tree oil encourages better hair growth. Its ability to remove oil buildup and dead skin cells ensures that hair follicles are not clogged, which can improve blood flow to the scalp and stimulate hair growth over time. Benefit 4 is reducing hair loss. The antibacterial and cleansing properties of tea tree oil help strengthen hair roots and nourish hair shafts, which can contribute to less hair fall. Using tea tree oil can also balance the scalp's oil production, ensuring that the hair remains hydrated and healthy, which helps reduce breakage and loss. Benefit 5 is soothing an itchy scalp. Tea tree oil's anti-inflammatory properties provide relief to an itchy scalp. It helps calm irritation and redness caused by environmental factors or skin conditions. Applying tea tree oil can provide a cooling sensation that soothes the skin, allowing for a more comfortable and less distracting scalp environment. Benefit 6 is preventing lice. Tea tree oil has insecticidal properties that make it an effective natural deterrent against head lice. It works by disrupting the life cycle of lice and preventing them from latching onto the hair strands. Using tea tree oil as a preventive measure can protect against lice infestation, especially in environments where it may be more common. Benefit 7 is controlling excess oil. For those with oily hair, tea tree oil can be particularly beneficial. It helps regulate the production of sebum, the natural oil produced by the scalp, ensuring that it is balanced. This helps in keeping the hair clean and reducing greasiness between washes, contributing to a fresher look. Benefit 8 is enhancing hair texture. Regular use of tea tree oil can improve the texture of the hair, making it smoother and softer. Its ability to cleanse deeply ensures that the hair remains free from buildup, allowing individual hair strands to be naturally shiny. This can make styling easier and the hair more manageable. Benefit 9 is repairing damaged hair. The nourishing properties of tea tree oil help in repairing damaged hair shafts by providing essential nutrients. It can help to replenish moisture, protecting the hair from environmental damage, heat styling, and chemical treatments. This leads to healthier, stronger, and more resilient hair over time. Benefit 10 is adding shine. Tea tree oil promotes natural shine by freeing the hair from excessive buildup and allowing its natural light-reflecting properties to shine through. Its moisturizing benefits add glossiness to dull and lifeless hair, making it appear healthier and more vibrant with continued use. Benefit 11 is detangling hair. Tea tree oil can help in smoothing the hair cuticle, which makes detangling easier. Applying it as part of a conditioner or detangling spray can reduce friction between hair strands, minimizing breakage, and making the hair more manageable. This benefit is especially helpful for those with curly or coily hair types prone to tangles.